So here we are for another editorial for X Mag. With that lovely Yanni doing hair again. She's absolutely amazing. We're doing a spring summer look, which is absolutely stunning on her right now. Kind of what we did with the makeup and hair, what we're doing is more of an angel-like look. An angel-like look with a bad girl mentality. Ooh. And today she's wearing Pia and Baby Girl Mix for lip gloss. Gives a nice juicy look on the lip, which is really in for the spring summer, the juicier look of the lip. And nice highlight on the skin, and the skin looking really smooth. You know, with a light smoke and a little higher contour and mascara, a little smoky eye. Keeping it simple but beautiful. She's, you know, really a really easy model to work with, which is really, you know, a plus in this industry. So all you new models, be nice.
Gotta be nice.
We'll cut ya.
Ella has been incredible. She has been truly an incredible experience to work with. She really dominates everything that you put on her. And actually what she's wearing today, it's a piece from Fashion House, which is this great showroom in New York. And this one in particular is actually from Harvey Faircloth. And the shoes, of course, she's wearing is from Hernan Lander. What he's wearing today, it's actually a really great New York brand called Twice. They have the urban look with a very chic twitch to it. So they make, you know, trench coats that look like a designer piece, very accessible to everybody.